So this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. You have a mock test tomorrow. Please understand why we call it a mock test. Why we call it a mock test? Because this is not the real test. Real test is going to happen on NEET examination day. Before that, every test that you are writing, you are doing a rehearsal for the actual test. You are trying to make your strategy right. Which subject to start with, how much time to give to each subject. So I want to cover 4 things which you should remember while writing the mock test, and you should practice. It's not necessary that all of those things you would be able to practice, but once you write more and more mock tests and you follow these 4 rules, you will find significant benefit of writing these mock tests, and this will show up in your final score in NEET exam. First thing, you should be very, very clear in your mind in terms of time breakup. How much time to give to each subject. 50 minutes for bio, 50 for chemistry, 70 for physics. Understand this, a lot of students, they don't do bio and chemistry fast enough. They don't get enough time for physics. Either they will end up leaving 15-16 questions in the paper in physics, or they will try and do it fast. They would do a lot of silly mistakes and calculation mistakes. So it is very, very important that when you do bio and chemistry like this, you get time for physics. Otherwise, the reality of this is 180 question, 180 minute. If you don't do bio and chemistry in 50 minutes each, you will not get 70 minutes for physics, and you require 70 minutes for 45 questions of physics. And this time includes time of filling the OMR. This 50 minutes include filling OMR. You have to fill OMR thrice, one after bio, one after chemistry, one after physics. Don't fill the complete 180 question in the end. You will feel a lot of pressure. This bubble filling takes 15 to 20 minutes. So you should do it after bio, after chemistry, after physics. This 50 minutes includes time to fill OMR, right? Second thing, write exam only in pen, paper, OMR format. Don't practice online tests, because NEET 2021 is not going to be in online format. It is going to be in pen, paper, OMR format. It is going to be in pen, paper, OMR format. A lot of you who have joined our course recently, this test series, I will explain to you how do you use this feature on neetprep.com. This is a unique feature on neetprep.com. It is not available on any other place, and we have done this because this is how NEET exam is actually going to happen, right? So I will explain to you how this has to be done, but you should not write online tests. You should only write test in pen, paper, OMR format, because OMR filling takes 15 to 20 minutes. Third thing, run to the end. What does this mean? You have to do 180 questions in 180 minutes. All of you know this. What this means is you cannot get stuck on any question. Bio, organic, inorganic. These are largely fact-based questions. If you don't understand a question in 15 seconds, skip, mark a circle, skip and move forward. Don't get stuck. What if in tomorrow's paper, tomorrow's mock test, the question of digestion and absorption is very hard, and question of system of particle and rotational motion is very easy. If you get stuck on digestion, I cannot get any question in digestion absorption wrong. You are the master of zoology, but you're not able to understand and you waste 10 minutes on it. You will not reach question number 178, which is from rotational motion, which is very, very simple. A simple formula that you have to apply, but you did not reach there because you got sentimental and you got stuck in that question. Move forward, keep moving forward, keep moving forward. First attempt is you have to reach 180th question. If you have time remaining, then you can come back to the circled question. In case of physical chemistry and physics, since you have to read the data, if you don't understand the question in 25 seconds, mark a circle, skip, move forward. Keep moving forward because you have to reach the 180th question first. This is the first target of your test. You have to reach the 180th question. And finally, you should have a clock on the wall. In NEET exam, you're not allowed to carry watches. So all this time, 50 minutes, 15 seconds, 25 seconds, you should get used to watching the clock on the wall rather than hoping that you will have a watch. You are not allowed to take a watch, a paper, a pen, anything in NEET exam. So you have to depend on what is showing up on the wall. Okay? So these 4 things are extremely important. You should practice this in this mock test. If you do very well in the mock test, you will identify your weak areas you will identify your weak areas and it will help you perform better in next mock test. Correct? Right? Now let me tell you how to do this. Write exam only in pen, paper, OMR format. Let me show you how this is done. So what you will do is, let me come to that place, neetprep.com. Neetprep.com, I will come to neetprep.com. You come to neetprep.com. After that, you come to menu. Pen, paper, OMR format is only available on the website neetprep.com. It is not available on the app. So you have to come to the website. Menu, course content. You will see this option test, videos, NCERT ebook, questions, flashcard, tests. You come to tests, then you come to this option, NEET Prep test series. Okay? Now what you will see is, these are all the tests that have already happened. You will come to second page. You will see this. This test will go live, tomorrow's test on July 11th at 1:30 p.m. It will go live at 1:30 p.m. right? So let me show you how to fill OMR. Let's say I take this test. You will see an attempt now button, green button after the test goes live at 1:30. When you click on attempt now, you will see these options. When you click on attempt now, you will see these options. Okay? So this option is to write test in online format. You should not use this option because NEET exam is not going to be in online format, right? What you should do is, we have uploaded sample OMR sheet on NEET Prep Telegram channel. Download it, take 15-20 printouts. You should practice filling OMR a lot, otherwise you will be in for a rude shock on exam day. Okay? So sample OMR sheet printout is there with you. Download the PDF. If you can take a printout, take a printout, otherwise open it in laptop or phone. Have your sheets of paper. So first, for 3 hours, like NEET exam, solve questions and fill OMR sheet, hard copy or physical copy of it, which is in front of you. For 3 hours you have to do that. Now how will we know what you have done? After 3 hours are over, after 3 hours are finished, you will come to this option, fill OMR sheet. You will come to this option, fill OMR sheet. And whatever you filled in the hard copy of the OMR sheet, bubble by bubble, you are going to fill it here. I'll show you how. So fill OMR sheet. Okay, a lot of it is already filled. Thank you very much. You will fill it like this, based on whatever you have filled in your OMR sheet. Okay, and then you will see this option of calculate score below. Okay, and you will be able to see your score. Tomorrow's test, if you want to be eligible for the cash prize, you have to submit the test by 8 p.m. So take any 3-hour window. You can start at 4:30, finish at 7:30. You can start at 2 o'clock, finish at 5 o'clock. Because NEET exam is going to happen from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. You should target writing the test between 2 to 5 p.m. Submit it at 5 p.m. by filling that OMR sheet, and you would be able to, you will get a message that you would be able to see your result at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. when you come back, view score, you will see this option, view all answers, and you would be able to then see for each question of physics, chemistry, video explanation, and for bio audio explanation. So all of this is going to be available here. So hopefully you have understood all of the students. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section of the video. But A, don't run away from the test because test is going to help you identify your weak areas. B, follow these 4 things. These are extremely important things. Mock test is about practicing for the real test. You have to implement these 4 things in your real test. So please implement this. Create an environment as if you are sitting in an examination hall. There is a clock on the wall. You are continuously trying to manage your time, because ultimately these 180 questions, 180 minutes are going to decide your 2 years of effort and are going to decide what you are going to do for next 40 years. So ask me in the comment section if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow before the mock test at 1:45 p.m. All right, students.